Welcome to Effortless Meeting Scheduling.
Google Meet makes setting up meetings fast and simple, especially when using your smartphone. Whether you're planning a quick catch-up or a formal discussion, the app streamlines the process from start to finish. In this guide, you'll learn how to schedule and join meetings with ease, right from your mobile device.
Getting started with Google Meet on your phone.
Start by downloading the Google Meet app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. The app's clean interface makes navigation intuitive, even if it's your first time. You're now ready to begin scheduling or joining meetings directly from your phone, wherever you are.
Scheduling a new meeting in seconds.
To schedule a meeting, tap the New Meeting button on the app's main screen. You'll see options like Get a Meeting Link to Share, Start an Instant Meeting, or Schedule in Google Calendar. For future meetings, choose the Calendar option, which lets you set date, time, and invitees, all in just a few taps.
Inviting participants with ease.
After scheduling, inviting participants is straightforward. Simply enter their email addresses and Google Calendar will send automatic invitations. If you chose Get a Meeting Link, just share the generated link via your preferred messaging app or email. This flexibility ensures everyone gets the correct details quickly.
Joining a meeting quickly from Mobile.
When it's time, you can join a meeting with a single tap. Open the Meet app and select your scheduled meeting or enter the link provided. The app will connect you seamlessly using your device's camera and microphone. You can also join meetings directly from Google Calendar events or email invitations.
Tips for a smooth mobile meeting experience.
For the best experience, ensure your device has a stable internet connection. Use headphones to minimize background noise and enable notifications so you never miss a meeting. Google Meet's mobile app also supports features like screen sharing and chat, enhancing your collaboration on the go.